Today's October 5th, or October 6th actually, 2013. It's 2 days after Andrea's first birthday, and Grandma and Grandpa Tammy and Jeff brought this miniature pony for Andrea for her birthday. And Andrea's trying to take her for a walk. Oh, great. Andrea, I think you stepped over the rope.
That's so cute. I can't believe it. She just turned a year yesterday, or Friday. Friday was her birthday. 30 years. Yeah. She's better than Lucy. She's bigger than Lucy. Oh, yeah. She's big girl. What is she, like 95 percentile?